to the economic community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olanolu and also known as Safaya Jua, one of the many voices of TBC around the world. Guys, we thank God for the wonderful things going on within the community. Guys, you can see for yourself different development, different upgrading. To God be the glory. As we embark on our mission to end poverty, we need to sanitize the community. And that is why the separating test that has been put in place to be completed by all TVtions since the month of May is still on and we end this month. If you look at my screen, you will see it. That's the recent blog post, 15 days left to lose it. Ha, guys, hmm, it worth it. Especially to all the old members whom we started together, labored together. Don't because of an apathy, carelessness or idleness, lose and get your account suspended. It doesn't take more than 5 minutes to get the same button test done. And guess what? It is free of charge. You are not compelled to pay the program fee before you can take the test. So go on and do that. So do not trivialize it. This is a countdown. Only 15 days left. It's a countdown. Only 15 days left for you to take the same button test. Guys, do all within your best to ensure that you take this test. To complete this test before your account is suspended. So guys, don't trivialize it. I just decided to do this short audio to inform my senator that guys, please do all within your best and take your same button test. Very simple. So guys, I look forward that all of us will enjoy our abundance together. Thank you. See you again. God bless you for now.